are we doing here? We've got v minus 9 equals negative 4. What's happening to v? 9 is being subtracted from it. We undo a minus 9 with a plus 9, right? Everything that's there first, plus 9. What are we adding 9 to? We're adding 9 to all of this. We've got to put that there and say, from this, or to this, we're adding 9, okay? Equals, same thing over here. This is what was already there, so we put it there, plus 9. If we do it to one side, we do it to the other, okay? These are inverse operations. The reason we picked plus 9 is to undo this minus 9. They cancel out, leaving us just with v. Here, we do negative 4 plus 9 is 5. v equals 5. Box it. Okay? Now we write the original equation unchanged. Then, wherever there's variable, and there's variable here at v, we put parentheses and the value we believe it to be in parentheses. So we've got 5 minus 9 equals negative 4. What's 5 minus 9? Well, you're taking away 9. The first 5 that you take away gets you to 0, and then there's 4 left that puts you 4 below 0, or negative 4. So negative 4 equals negative 4. Check. Okay, next one. Excuse me. T divided by negative 5 equals 3. Okay, how do we undo this divided by negative 5 rather? The inverse operation for divide is multiply, but by the same number. Where t divided by negative 5 is what we were multiplying by negative 5. All of that, what's already there, inside, negative 5, outside to the left. Okay. Again, the reason that we do this is because if we put a minus 5 over here to multiply, that would actually just say take 5 away from it. It wouldn't be multiplying. So putting it to the left always ensures that even if the number is negative, it's going to be a multiplier. So negative 5 times this side, 3. Okay, these are inverse operations and cancel out, leaving you just with t. And what do you get on this side? Negative 5 times 3. Negative times positive is negative. 5 times 3 is 15. So t equals negative 15. Now let's do a proof. Write the original equation unchanged. Make sure you copy it correctly. I've seen some kids making the error where they miscopy the problem, and you're not going to get the right answer if you do that. So t divided by negative 5 equals 3. Where there was t, put parentheses and that negative 15 inside. Negative 15 divided by negative 5 equals 3. And yeah, you have to actually check this math. Okay, negative divided by negative is positive, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So 3 equals 3, check. Okay, final problem on this video. 5/6 p equals 10. Okay, how do we undo times 5/6? We multiply by its reciprocal. This times this is 30, this times this is 30, you get 30 over 30, which is 1 p for p. So, take everything that's here, multiply it by 6/5. Likewise, do the same thing to the right. Take everything that's there, in parentheses, multiply by 6/5 to the left. Okay? And so this equals 1 p, or just p, but what do we get here? Well, we can multiply 6 times 10 first and get 60, and 60 divided by 5 is 12, but it might be easier if we divide first. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. There's your 12. Okay, so for the proof, we write 5/6 p equals 10, and now we say 5/6 essentially of or times 12 equals 10. How do we do this problem here? Well, we can do the division first. 12 divided by 6. How many times does 6 go into 12? Twice. So 12 divided by 6, 2. 2 times 5, 10. That's 10. 10 equals whatever was on this side, and it happens to be 10 as well. So check. We did it right.